The Lord be with you. Happy Monday! I pray that all of you will have a blessed start of the week as we reflect the Gospel from St. Luke chapter 13, verses 10 to 17. In our Gospel, Jesus Christ healed the woman who was being possessed by evil for 18 years. But He did that on a Sabbath day. Naturally, the scribes and Pharisees condemned His action. But He said, this woman was under the bonds of evil for 18 years. Is it not right to free her on a Sabbath? Then everyone left Jesus. Their hypocrisy was always the target of Jesus' preaching. Do you think the Lord will be happy that we are offering our grandiose prayer and adoration to Him while we are neglecting the sufferings of our brothers and sisters? That would be lip service, and that would definitely be against the very nature of what we are praying for. If we are asking for compassion and yet we do not show compassion on others, if we are asking for blessing and yet we are not blessing others, if we are asking for forgiveness and yet we are not forgiving others, if we are glorifying God and yet we are degrading others, all these things are hypocrisy, and Jesus Christ is not happy about it. Let our prayers be manifested in the way we treat others. The gospel must be concretized, not in words that we speak, but in the actions that we performed in the name of God towards our brothers and sisters. Let this week start with charity towards others, and let us unmask ourselves of the hypocrisy that are preventing us to be the face of God for others. God bless.